Hi guys, we're going to do 12.5a today, which is circles in the coordinate plane. So we're going to start with the equation for a circle. So if a circle has a center, which we're just going to call HK right now, could be 1, 2, could be negative 3, 4, any point, HK, and a radius of R, then this would be the equation for that circle. We call this the standard equation of a circle. Standard equation of a circle, okay? So we're gonna do just writing of standard equations, and we'll do a little bit of graphing in the next 2 days here, all dealing with circles. So everything's gonna be a circle that you're working with right now. So first one says, write the standard equation of a circle with a center at 5, negative 2, and a radius of 7. Well, if you think about the formula, the center is HK, so this is your H and your K, and then your radius is the 7, okay? So if we set this up, it's going to be X minus your H value squared plus Y minus your K value, which is negative 2 squared. So notice minus a negative, that's going to be plus a positive, right? Equals the radius squared. So your standard equation is X minus 5 squared plus Y plus 2 squared equals 49. So it's always opposite of what you would expect it to be, because the equation uses subtraction, and subtraction makes things opposite, okay? Okay, so that's pretty much as simple as they get right there. Where they get a little fancier is when they give you these two things. So they give you a center, and then they give you a point that it passes through. Okay, so if you think about it, they're giving you a center and some point on the circle now. Okay, so this is still going to be your HK. And now this is going to be X and Y, okay? So now if you think about the standard form of a circle, we know it's going to look like, I'll pick a different color here, X minus your H value, so X minus 1 squared, plus Y minus a negative 3, so Y plus 3 squared, equals, and then we need to plug a number in here. We don't know the radius, but if you haven't noticed, this looks a lot like distance formula, right? If you look up here, if I were to square root this whole thing, that would be the distance formula. So basically what we're doing now is we're finding the distance between the center and the point on the circle. That's our radius, right? That's what we're looking for here. So I can take these numbers and plug them in here and get my radius squared. So it's going to be nope, just kidding, sorry. It's going to be X, which is 2, minus H, which is 1, squared, plus Y, which is 2, minus K, which is negative 3, squared, equals the radius squared, okay? So 1 squared is 1. This minus a negative becomes plus a positive, so 5 squared is 25. Equals our radius squared. So 26 is r squared. Now you're going to be tempted to take the square root right now, but think about the formula. We don't want the square root. We want r squared, right? So you found r squared. Now you just plug it in to your formula, and that will be your answer. Okay, so you take your h and your k and you plug them in here. And then your X and your Y will always be the other point that they give you to help you come up with r squared. All right. Okay, so last thing here, we're just going to take a look at these graphs and write the standard equation from these graphs. If you notice, your center here is 0, 0. So that's helpful information. And then we also need a radius in the standard form. Well, our radius goes from the center to the circle, so you could go here, you could go here, you could go here, you could go here, and easily count your radius. Your radius is 1, 2, 3 units. So a radius of 3 with a center of 0, 0 means you are going x minus your h, 0, squared, plus y minus your k squared equals your radius squared. Well, this is x minus 0 is just x squared, y minus 0 is just y squared equals 9. So that is your standard form. So if it's the center of 0, 0, it's really beautiful. It's a nice, simple equation. This one's a little different. Now your center is the point -1, 2. Okay, and your radius, like I said before, you're just going to count, and you can go left, right, up, or down. So if I go to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, so a radius of 4, that means my standard equation is going to be x plus 1, because it's minus a -1. So x plus 1 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals the radius squared, which would be 16. Okay, and that is your equation. Super short lesson. Hope you enjoy your day.